afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Muskan, moderator for this conference call. Welcome to the earnings conference call of Make Refrigeration Limited, arranged by Aaryana Matasco, to discuss the financial results for Q3FY24 ended 31st December 2024. At this moment, all the participant lines are in the listen-only mode. Later, we'll conduct a Q&A session. At that time, if you have a question, please press star and 1 on your touchtone telephone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Aaryana. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us today for Make Refrigeration Limited's earnings conference call. Make Refrigeration Limited stands as a prominent leader in innovative cooling solutions with a diverse portfolio of over 50 refrigeration products manufactured in India. Our consistent growth performance underscores our unwavering commitment to innovation, excellence, and customer satisfaction. As we delve into the financial performance for Q3FY24, it's crucial to acknowledge Make's remarkable achievements in revenue, profitability, and market valuation over the past few years. These achievements reflect our strong market position and effective business strategies. Furthermore, our commitment to sound financial management practices is evident in the significant reduction of our debt. One of our key strengths lies in our zero promoter pledge, which underscores our dedication to our shareholders' interests and financial stability. This commitment is a cornerstone of our corporate ethos and guides our strategic decision-making process. However, I would like to caution that during our discussion, we may touch upon forward-looking statements that are subject to known or unknown risks, uncertainties, and other factors. Now, without further ado, I would like to introduce our esteemed executives who will provide insights into our financial performance and outlook. Mr. Chandrakant Patel, Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Nikhil Bhatt, Vice President Strategy, Mr. Ankit Patel, Chief Financial Officer, and Mr. Mandar Desai, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer. They will discuss the financial performance for quarter and half 9 months ended 31st December 2023, address your queries and provide insights into our strategic initiatives, market opportunities, and future prospects. With that said, now I pass the floor to Mr. Patel. Sir, thank you, and over to you, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining the call. We are pleased to present to you the financial performance of Make Refrigeration Limited. Over the past few years, despite facing challenge, our company has demonstrated resilience and strategic growth, showcasing our commitment to excellence and financial discipline. The company has achieved impressive growth in our top line for quarter under discussion, driving the strong performance of the domestic economy and consumption. We have continued to capitalize on this growth momentum with timely launch of innovative product and capacity expansion, stable raw material price, increased overall demand for cold room, ammonia, transport, industrial, and commercial refrigeration vertical have contributed significantly to our growth this quarter. However, this quarter there has been a shift in our business product mix, notably marked by the expansion of our ammonia-based project venture. While this expansion presents growth opportunities, it's important to note that this project typically yield lower margin compared to our flagship product such as cold room and commercial refrigeration unit. Moreover, with the uptick in our ammonia-based project, there has been a corresponding rise in installation costs, which are now reflected in our other expense. However, we are aware to your concern and the challenge we face. There has been a decline in net profit with falling profit margin. We are actively addressing this challenge and are confident in our ability to overcome them. Make Refrigeration Limited remains committed to delivering sustainable growth and value to our shareholders. We are confident that our strategic initiative and strong financial discipline will continue to drive our success in future. With a robust demand for cooling and cold chain strong storage solutions, both domestically and internationally, ISMAC is well positioned to seize this opportunity. We remain optimistic about ending this fiscal year on a strong note. Thank you for your attention. I now invite our CFO, Mr. Ankit Patel, to provide insight into the company's financial performance, followed by Mr. Nikhil Bhatt, who will share our business growth strategy. Thank you.
Thank you, MD sir, and good evening, everyone. Let me first brief you on Q3 financial performance for FY24, where we witnessed strong recovery in demand in the end market, which led to healthy growth in our revenue. During the quarter, total income jumped by more than 23% compared to the same quarter last fiscal. Consolidated total revenue in Q3 FY24 stood at 82.52 crore compared to 66.82 crore in Q3 FY23. The company recorded an EBITDA of rupees 4.41 crore in Q3 FY24 as against EBITDA of 7.46 crore in corresponding period of previous year. During the quarter, EBITDA margin stood at 5.34% as against 11.16% in the corresponding quarter of last fiscal. The company's net profit stood at 2.01 crore in Q3 FY24 as against 4.43 crore compared to previous Q3 FY23. The major reason behind margin dip in current quarter is because of change in sales mix as addressed by our MD sir. Ammonia and project vertical generally contributes around 10 to 15% in top line, whereas in current Q3, their contribution was around 28%. Now, I am addressing 9-month financial performance of FY24. The company recorded strong growth in revenue led by recovery in domestic economy and consumption. ISMAC will continue to capitalize on strong growth with the timely expansion, launch of new and innovative products. During the first 9 months of fiscal 24, the company posted over 20% year-on-year growth in total income to rupees 238.86 crore as against 199.04 in the first 9 months of fiscal 2023. The company has achieved an EBITDA of 20.46 crore in the first 9 months of fiscal 2024. The cost of goods sold as a percentage of revenue stood at 69% in the first 9 months. Despite higher costs, the company was able to maintain healthy profitability. The company's EBITDA margin stood at 8.6% in the first 9 months of fiscal 2024. The company earned net profit of rupees 11.87 crore in the first 9 months of fiscal 2024 as against 12.17 crore in the corresponding period of last fiscal. The company has a vision to achieve 1,000 crore top line in coming financial years. And to support the vision, we have done strategic recruitment. There might be a short-term impact on margin, somewhere in the range of 1 or 1.5% in the financial year. The company is very optimistic in growing top line and maintaining healthy EBITDA margin around 9.5 to 10.5 range in the longer run. Now, Mr. Nikhil Bhatt will take over for the business update. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Pankaj. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to highlight some business updates as well as the running project which we are going to invest, which declared earlier. So first of all, whatever the projects on hand, and particularly continuous pop panel, the status regarding the project, the building to civil work is on the process as well as machineries are ordered, and some of the delivery might be received by end of this year. It will be dispatched in February end and the March end. Second thing, regarding the Chennai-based project which we are going to start the civil construction process shortly, and document work is in the process. The Kolkata-based project is already 100% completed, and production major pop panel is already on, and it will show some result in the Q4. And regarding the commercial project, we are on the planning for the procurement of the machineries. Quotation has been received, and it is in the advanced stage, and we will be able to finalize by end of this year. More than that, apart from the order on hand, about 170 crores, we are having order on hand, and there are some of the few reputed orders. One of them is 3 crores order from Assam Dairy, as well as the 40 cold rooms single order from the Rajasthan Medical Corporation around 4.5 crores. One of the food processing or the pack house company, we have got the order of freeze dryer of about 1.75 and the ammonia project of around 8 crores, so making 9.75 crores order from the single party. Previously, what we have the project on hand is that was the Unjel project of the Panchmal dairy. That project has been completed, and almost all process has been done. Production is already started. So these are the updates regarding the orders and our projects. With the approach of summer, demand for our products is expected to increase, while the refrigeration equipment market has been fluctuating growth patterns. Improvement in the economy and supply chain are likely to boost demand in the future. Despite these positive trends, the industry faces challenges such as shifting consumer preferences, the need for policy adjustment to address environment concerns, fluctuating raw material costs due to geographical disturbance, and a slowdown in global economic growth. To address these challenges, ISMEC is focusing on resilience and innovation, maintaining investment discipline, actively engaging in business ecosystem, and demonstrating a strong commitment to sustainability. The company is also investing in new technologies, efficient procurement, and inventory management to sustain growth. Government policies promoting energy transition have supported manufacturing growth, but the uneven recovery across different markets and geographies remaining a challenge, necessitating a focus on cost consciousness and operational efficiency. Given the global economic slowdown, geographical disturbance, and regional growth disparities, ISMEC, as a key player in the refrigeration equipment industry, has adopted a vigilant and a forward-looking approach. Adaptation in supply chain dynamics and the shift towards cleaner practices are driving strategies shifts within the industry, benefiting the company and stakeholders alike. Thank you, and we stand ready to address any questions you may have.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask question may press star and 1 on the touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from question queue, you may press star and 2. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking the question. Participants are requested to ask questions in Hindi. Ladies and gentlemen, wait for the moment while the question queue assembles. First question is from the line of Zaika Nasir, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Chandrakant bhai, namaskar, and to the entire team, sir. Sir, अपना जो ये cold panel, continuous panel का project है, ये implement कब तक होगा, sir? When will the commercial production start? And जैसा अंकित भाई ने बोला है कि next year we are expecting the margins, EBITDA margins to be around 10%. So what आप next year के वास्ते along with this continuous panel का project which may come for half the year or 9 months, do you think we can still hope to do the 500 crores, or it will be more near 450 crores on the sales side, sir? Thank you.
देखो, हमने जो प्रोजेक्ट